What's up, XRP holders and guys? What the F is going on with crypto? What is going on with XRP? Is this another bull trap? Can we trust this? I might have the answers for you in this important video. So let's get straight into it. I need to show you a lot of important stuff. My actual vision on the price action right now. Am I still bullish? Am I bearish? Am I still all into crypto? Let's talk about it. First, of course, like the video. Can we get this one back above 1,000 likes? Because retail interest is still at bear market levels. So if you're watching these videos today, big shout out to you. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so I want to start off here on the weekly candles for XRP. So every candlestick is 1 week. And what you can see is that XRP is right now at a key turning point, because literally this week, latest next week, we are going to see the decision. Price is already attempting a breakout here. Let me actually give you the actual price targets and the requirements of the breakout, and bear with me in the video because I'm going to show you some very interesting stuff, guys, so stay tuned here. But in order for me to call a legit breakout here for XRP, I would need to see, I would say, some daily closes above $2.35. That could confirm a massive breakout here for XRP, and it's about time for the price to break out. Now also, let me talk about the actual price targets that I am currently looking out for here for XRP. For this, I'm going to use the trend-based FIB tool, and if we take the entire length of this impulse, so you can take this candle or this one, and if you take the entire length here of this impulse that we have seen in November and December, and if you project this to the lowest point of the current correction, which was at the beginning of April, I believe, yes, around 163 or so, then we can get all the relevant price targets for XRP in case we do see the breakout. So the first target to expect some resistance from off is actually around $5. Also, of course, the previous high point at, what is it, 340 for XRP, that was this point here. But after that, I think $5 is an interesting area to lock in a little bit of profits here off the table. That is never a wrong thing to do in my personal opinion. And eventually $11 and maybe even higher than that, but that of course remains to be seen. I think the target around $5, maybe even $11 is achievable, maybe within this summer. I hope so, but let's first see if we can break above that important previous weekly candle close for XRP. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is also a very interesting metric, which you can see over here, and I posted this a few hours ago. XRP exchange inflows from whales have collapsed 90% since the December peaks. What you can see here in December last year, a lot of spikes here from whale wallets. So you can see on the top side, people holding over 1 million XRP, over 100k XRP, over 10k. So whales, people with large sums of XRP here, they deposited a lot of XRP onto the exchanges here in December and January. But right now, as you can see, yes, we saw some spikes here in January, in April as well, and here one in May. But the spikes are getting lower and lower, as you can see, and this tells us that whales are not very interested to sell XRP around the current prices, and this typically indicates that a big move is possibly on the horizon here for XRP, guys. So pay attention, this is not the time to give up. As I showed you in multiple videos, the XRP search volume here on the Google Trends indicator for the past 12 months is currently still extremely low, guys. Look at this. We are down more than 80% from the peak of December. And you want to buy when retail is asleep and not paying attention. You want to sell when retail is extremely interested. And this is because the overwhelming majority of investors in the market aren't profitable over time. So basically going against them is the only and the best possible strategy in my personal opinion, guys. If you want to take advantage of this huge opportunity right now, I'm opening up massive swing trade positions. I'm doing that on weeks, but also on Pionex. I just partnered up with this exchange, a very interesting exchange here. If you want to sign up with my account in the video description, then you will be eligible for a 1,000 USDT deposit bonus completely for free just by registration if you use my link down below in the video description. Pionex is a very nice platform. I've been using them for a while. They have a lot of interesting features such as grid bots and much more. So if you're interested in that, check it out, guys. You can get massive deposit bonuses right now if you use my link down below in the video description. And lastly, if you're not already following me over on my Instagram, which I reactivated, I would highly recommend so. The official username is down below in the video description. Keep in mind, There are fake Instagram accounts out there. Always follow the ticker that is down below in my video description. A lot of XRP updates, a lot of market updates, Q&A sessions. Check it out, guys. The link is down below. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. If this was helpful to you, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me over on my Instagram. I'm posting XRP updates over there, market updates, Q&A sessions. So yeah, definitely check it out. I want to thank you all for watching, for the amazing support, and I'll see you very soon with another XRP update. Bye bye.